We're still in the city by the lake, Phayao. Today, we're going to try something a little bit different, and it sounds a bit strange to me. There's a famous dish in Phayao, which is live shrimp spicy salad. Many people say that if you haven't tried this dish, which is called Goong Ten, or grilled fish, it means you haven't been to Phayao. If you do spend a little bit of time next to the lake, you'll see many street vendors who are selling this famous dish, Goong Ten. Goong means shrimp and Ten means dance or jump. This dish is also known as dancing shrimp because the shrimp are still alive when you eat them.
Oh, that one jumped off.
Yeah.
You can buy this dish in a lot of the restaurants, but along the lake you can see a lot of street vendors on a motorbike who prepare this, and there's about 10 or possibly even 20 dishes on their menu. And this motorbike sells Goong Ten, Goong Ten, Goong Ten, and Goong Ten.
It is Goong Ten.
And we're watching this woman make the dish. So what you do is put all of the herbs in, and it includes coriander, red onion, MSG, chili flakes, crispy sticky rice powder, some fish sauce, a little bit of lime, and they're all mixed together in a bowl. And then the last ingredient is the shrimp.
The way to eat this, you just shake to mix with all ingredient and then just eat.
Oh,
I don't think that's not your thing.
no, well, I don't like shrimp anyway, but the fact that they're alive terrifies me.
But this is common in the north of Thailand.
Is it?
Isaan.
Okay.
Yeah. You can find this in Isaan or in many provinces in the north of Thailand.
Well, I've got to be honest, I'm not that adventurous and there's not a chance of me trying it. Oh, I can see them moving.
I had this when I was young. Yeah, it's really nice. The taste like lap mu, lap gai, but they just change the pork.
Does it not scare you when you put it in your mouth and it moves?
No.
Oh,
I'll try later.
I feel sorry for them.
So you have to feel sorry to the pork and the chicken as well.
True, true.
อันนี้80 กัน
Jerry's just said to me about those shrimps that are alive and you eat them alive. And he went, Andrew, he went, you should try them. He said, because if you try them, he went, there's a possibility that the video will go viral. Now, I would love a viral video, who wouldn't? But I'm just not that adventurous that there's no way in the world I'm gonna eat raw shrimps just to try and get a YouTube video to be successful. It's not happening. Oh, they're actually jumping, aren't they? I'm moving.
That's why we say Goong Ten.
Oh, it makes me feel nervous.
Oh, Pepsi, yeah.
เป๊ปซี่เป็นกระป๋อง
Oh, did she give you that mat to sit on?
Yeah.
Oh.
We can buy that. We can buy that Goong Ten 80 baht. and we can spend all the afternoon sit next to the lake.
Wow. Look at this. Take the lid off there and show me inside. They're moving. Ugh.
I have to mix. I won't eat when they're alive though. I just let them die.
Oh, that one jumped up.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I have to wait a little bit.
Oh, for me, that's disgusting.
This is the first time I've had them in 20 years.
Okay, come on, Jerry. Show us how it's done.
That lady gave me 2 spoons. Is that for you?
No, thank you. I just can't do this. I'm too much of a wimp. I just don't like shrimp, so I'm certainly not going to be able to eat a one that's alive if I don't like it when it's dead.
It looks like cruel. But when you kill any other animal, it's cruel as well.
But you don't need to boil them first, usually. Jerry, before you eat shrimp, are they not usually boiled to be cooked?
Some shrimp. You can eat raw.
Does it not give you a bad stomach?
No. No. Ooh.
I mean, I'm sure the taste's nice, but not the shrimp itself. Ugh. Yuck. Ah. Oh, God. Don't come near me for the rest of the night. Oh, yuck. Are they dead now?
Some dead. Some still dancing.
Dancing. Fighting for their lives, more like.
That's its own name. Goong Ten. Shrimp dancing.
A shrimp dancing? I would call it petrified prawns.
There is another one dish called crushed shrimp. You just crush with the herb, and you can eat it with uncooked as well.
Do you know what though? It's really spicy, and all those prawns in are shrimp. One of them might be bad. Do you not think you might end up with diarrhea or something afterwards, or a bad stomach?
I never had something like that happen to me, but let's see. After 20 years, let's see tomorrow.
Well, I hope tomorrow we can still go out for the day. You're not in bed all day.
Now you can drive.
No, I can't drive. I haven't got an international driving license.
And that's the end of our time in Phayao. In our next video, we'll be travelling from Chiang Mai to Bangkok on a first class sleeper bus. 10-hour journey overnight. Let's see how that goes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.